Hello friends, welcome back, and today we'll be making these shurikens which you can throw. You can also transform them into a circle and transform them back into a ninja star. They are very cool and very fun to play with, so let's get started. First, you'll need 2 pieces of origami paper or any paper, each 15 cm by 15 cm. Your first step would be cutting them into 4 equal squares. After you cut them, you'll need to fold them. So take a square piece and start folding by bringing one corner to the opposite corner, forming a triangle. Now press down and make a crease. These triangles don't need to be perfect, but they should look like a triangle. Then open it back up and now take the other corner and bring it to the opposite corner again. Make sure you press down and make another crease. After you've done that, open it back up and we'll start folding rectangles. Bring one side to the opposite side, again making a crease. Now, open it back up and take the other side and fold it to the opposite side. Now this is a different crease, so you've made a total of 4 folds, and as you can see, there are 4 lines. Now take the corner and fold it into the middle. It doesn't matter which corner, but just take a corner of the square piece of paper. Then make a crease. Now take one of the adjacent corners, it doesn't matter which one, and again fold it into the middle point. Now you've made kind of a little house and fold it in half, recreating the crease you've already made. Take the side without any slanted sides and bring down the middle crease. Now you will see 2 other creases which you will refold back. You don't have to worry about anything, just refold them and put them together. Now we have to fold all of these other ones. After folding, we'll need to attach all of these pieces together. Take 2 pieces and open the flaps of one of the pieces. Now with the other piece, take the non-flappy side, meaning the pointy side, and attach it to the middle of the flappy piece. Now, the corners sticking out will have to fold them down. So take one, fold them down, and take the other one and fold it down. Now we open the flaps of the other piece and tuck the points inside. Using this method, we will attach all of those other pieces together. After you finish attaching all the pieces, you can now slowly push in the octagon. As you can see, you may encounter a few issues where you may need to tuck in some points tighter, or you may need to adjust a few things, but eventually you'll be able to push it in with ease. And after you finish pushing it in, it looks like a cool shuriken. You can also use patterns to make it look nicer. You may also choose to use white paper as shown. You can color them in with markers like this shuriken over here, and as you can see, it still looks pretty. Or you can choose to draw your own patterns or images so that when you open it in a circle, it's one type of flower pattern or image, and when you transform it into the cool shuriken, it forms another pattern or another image.